Muscles, vital contractile tissues, enable animal movement through three types: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles, marked by striations, facilitate voluntary movements, while smooth muscles, non-striated, manage involuntary actions in organs. Cardiac muscle, exclusive to the heart, orchestrates blood flow. Muscle contractions rely on specialized proteins like actin and myosin, highlighting their multifaceted roles in movement, posture, heat generation, and vital bodily functions. Muscles are contractile tissues that enable movement in animals. They are essential for a wide range of bodily functions, from locomotion and posture to internal processes like digestion and circulation. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. Types of muscle tissue. There are three main types of muscle tissue, each with distinct characteristics and functions. Skeletal muscle, attached to bones and responsible for voluntary movements. Appears striated, striped, under a microscope due to the arrangement of protein filaments. Controlled by the somatic nervous system. Examples: biceps, quadriceps, and muscles involved in facial expressions. Smooth muscle, found in the walls of internal organs and blood vessels. Responsible for involuntary movements, such as peristalsis, digestive contractions, and vasoconstriction, blood vessel narrowing. Appears smooth, non-striated, under a microscope. Controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Cardiac muscle, found only in the heart, responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Appears striated but is involuntary. Has specialized cells, cardiomyocytes, that are interconnected, allowing for coordinated contractions. Controlled by the autonomic nervous system and has intrinsic pacemaker cells. Muscle structure and function. Muscle fibers. Skeletal muscle is composed of long cylindrical cells called muscle fibers. These fibers contain numerous myofibrils, which are made up of protein filaments. Myofilaments. The primary protein filaments in myofibrils are actin, thin filaments, and myosin, thick filaments. Sarcomere, the basic contractile unit of a muscle fiber. It's the repeating unit of actin and myosin filaments. Contraction. Muscle contraction occurs when actin and myosin filaments slide past each other, shortening the sarcomere. This sliding filament theory is the fundamental mechanism of muscle contraction. Nerve stimulation. Skeletal muscle contraction is initiated by nerve impulses from the motor neurons. The neuromuscular junction is the synapse between a motor neuron and a muscle fiber. Energy. Muscle contraction requires energy, which is primarily supplied by ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Key functions of muscles. Movement. Enables locomotion, manipulation of objects, and facial expressions. Posture and stability. Maintains body posture and stabilizes joints. Heat generation. Muscle contractions produce heat, contributing to body temperature regulation. Circulation. Cardiac muscle pumps blood and smooth muscle regulates blood flow. Digestion. Smooth muscle in the digestive tract facilitates the movement of food. Respiration. Muscles in the diaphragm and chest wall are essential for breathing. Protection. Muscles can protect internal organs. Muscle physiology and health. Muscle growth, hypertrophy, occurs in response to exercise. Muscle atrophy, wasting, occurs due to disuse or certain medical conditions. Muscle fatigue is the temporary decline in muscle performance during prolonged activity. Muscle strains and tears are common injuries. Various neurological and muscular diseases can affect muscle function.